Okay, today or this week, my KitchenAide, this is the second time it did this, burnt out from making my hummus. So anything that is a little thicker, for some reason, I'll let you see. Did I get that plugged in? No. Let me plug it in. I'm really ticked off about it too, because this is the second KitchenAide I had that's done this. See that? Any programming I do, it's not working. Because I made hummus in it. And this thing is only like 5 years old. The other one I only had for a year and it did that. So, and I don't use it that frequently. Only on holidays and things when I do something where I need a blender do I ever really use this. Now, I've had this Ninja for longer than this. And that Ninja is still going. So, needless to say, I just bought a new Ninja blender. I don't like, and it also has the smoothie cups right here. Yeah. So, RIP to my KitchenAide and hello blender from Ninja. They also have an ice cream maker that I want to buy, and sorbet gelato maker. But that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to wash all the things, the components, and RIP my KitchenAide blender. All right, let's start it. Let's see. Do I have it plugged in? Ay, ay, ay. There's my button, power button. Come on. Let's see. Do I have that all right? There we go. Come on. What are you doing? Okay, let me figure this out. There we go. This cup and an extra lid, and the other one did too. This is my old cup. They look the same though. For my old one. Okay. So far, so good. Made a bunch of bubbles from the dish soap that's in there to clean the things, but that's my my Ninja, my new Ninja blender. Thank God.